guys, you know what time it is. Let's unbox some slime. Oh wait, there's paper in the way. Okay, first up we have the slime activator and softener. This one is the Bugsley Garden. Look how cute. This one is Carnival slime. And then this one is Brown Sugar Boba Bear slime. Okay, let's open these now. Okay guys, we're gonna open up this one first. Oh, this smells good. Okay, now we're gonna add in these charms. Okay, next one, we're going to open Kawaii Carnival slime. Now I'm going to add in these charms. Lastly, we're going to open Brown Sugar Boba Bear slime. Ooh, this smells good. Oh, okay. That went everywhere but the slime. Thank you, Kawaii Slime Company, for sending me these. That's it. Bye. Love you guys.